All you need is a Gmail account, and you could get paid up to $500 PayPal money or even more by opening emails. Today, I will be sharing with you 5 bonus websites that will show how you can make money online fast, free, and easy by opening emails to get paid instantly to PayPal. This method is available worldwide, so you don't have to worry if you're not from the United States. Also, you don't have to invest any money. You just have to watch this video until the end and watch all 5 bonus websites I will be sharing so that you can be one step ahead of your competitors. But first, welcome to my channel, where I teach you how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below on what country you are in right now. So that I can create videos specifically for your country, drop your country's name in the comments down below. Now let's get back into the video. If you are a beginner at email reading jobs, you might ask yourself, why do websites pay you to read email? And why do they do this? Businesses require their product and service to reach more people, so they can increase profit. To make this possible, they use ad promotion and marketing campaigns. And email marketing is a proven method for reliable traffic and a high conversion rate. That is why advertisers pay these websites, and these websites pay you a portion of revenue to convince you to participate. The idea behind this is advertisers want people to see their email ads. Those companies hope you might tell your friend and family about their business or make a purchase from them. You are not obligated to perform any other action after clicking the link to get paid. At the end of the day, if you're doing this, the advertiser company grows their brand, the website gets paid, and you will get some money into your pocket. So it's a win-win situation. Now go to the first website, paytoreademail.com, or you can simply go to google.com. And type in paid to read email. The first link that will appear will be the website that you will be clicking onto. This is an online rewards community where you can earn money for your time and efforts by reading emails, taking surveys, completing offers, referring friends, and more. You can also choose to earn redeemable points for gift cards, guaranteed paid emails, and more. Now on this website, you will have a $3 sign-up bonus if you create a free account today. All you have to do is select your gender before entering your primary email and password. Then confirm the password and then click on this sign up button right here. You now have an activated account that will allow you to earn tons of money by reading emails. Now you will be able to find 3 ways to be rewarded for your online activities, such as cash surveys, which range in price from 50 cents to $1 each survey. Before we go further, I would like to remind you that we will share 4 more bonus websites in this video that will show how you can earn money by opening emails. So stay tuned. Now, by clicking this button, you may get to this page right here. You have unlimited access to 2 of the main categories on this website. 1 is your survey, 2 is opinion survey, and 3 is Dynata surveys, which you can only use up to 10 times. You can start doing surveys and finish them in under 5 minutes, and they will deposit the money into your account. You can make a second source of money by using this website. You may think that this is already a great way to earn money online. We will go to the most exciting portion of this video, which is reading emails. All you have to do is open them and click on the button to send you to a website of your choice. They may give you instructions from time to time, but you are not required to do anything in most cases. All you have to do is stay on the website for at least 30 seconds to confirm that you're not a robot. You can simply scroll through on your phone or computer, and you'll get your money after that. It will be deposited into your account as soon as it ends. There isn't much that you need to do. It's so simple that you can do it over and over again. It is worth a lot of 2 to 3 hours of your time every day for the money you will make on this website. Keep in mind that you only need to be there for 30 seconds to complete the task while you're doing it. You may scroll up and down the website page. That's all you have to do to start making money right away. You can share your referral link to earn twice or 3 times more than before. You'll gain 15% from your friends' profits if they sign up here, and you won't have to do any of the work yourself. Before I show you the next bonus website, don't forget to leave a like for this video. Now, our second bonus website is called uniquerewards.com. This is a great platform to get paid for reading emails, watching ads, watching videos, playing free games, and website visits. If you want to make a quick buck without investing a single cent, you will receive 1, 2, 3 emails with a special offer in your email inbox. All you have to do is open the email, clicks the link, and it will direct you to the advertiser website. You don't receive any random email. You only receive a special offer that matches your interest. When you open the advertised email, you will get 1 cent. You will receive a $5 bonus when you create an account. They also have a referral program where you will earn $1 every time you refer someone to this platform and complete their first test. The minimum balance to cash out is $20 if you choose PayPal or Bitcoin and $50 if you decide to receive the fund via Visa or MasterCard. They will pay you every Monday. Before we go to the next bonus website, make sure you subscribe to the channel with the notification bell on, so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Our third bonus website is called cash4offers.com. It gives you several ways to be rewarded for your online activity. You can get paid to read emails, take surveys, complete cash offers, refer your friends, and more. All you have to do is sit back and enjoy the extra income working with your computer on the internet from the comfort of your home. This is the place where you can make money online by reading paid emails, signing up for cash surveys and offers. Advertisers pay Cash4 Offers to reach consumers like you. Cash4 Offers shares the revenue we receive from advertisers with their members. You will easily get $5 to sign a bonus deposit into your account when you register. You can boost your balance by taking an online survey, playing an online game, or preferring a friend. The minimum payout for this website is a little bit high, which is $35. They pay you through PayPal. Your account will change to a gold member after your first payout. One of the benefits of being a gold member is you will receive a payment within 7 to 2 hours instead. You don't have to wait a whole week to receive it. Our fourth bonus website is called donkeymail.com. You can see this site looked pretty old school, but they pay really well. The concept is simple, which lets you make money when you open and click the link in the email. 1,000 clicks can give you 50 cents. The payouts are made every 2 weeks, and there's no minimum payout. Our fifth bonus website is called uniquepaid.com. This is an international program. Memberships are available worldwide. They pay to all members, to all countries. They pay you real money for signing up for free offers, reading emails, completing paid tasks and paid surveys, visiting sites, and online shopping, for referring friends, for referring advertisers. They give you many ways to earn money. This is the place where you get paid cash for signing up for free offers. They pay you through SkrillPay, Visa or MasterCard, PayPal, Bitcoin, and by check. You choose the best method of payment that suits you most. And the cool thing is there is no minimum payment amount to get paid via PayPal and Bitcoins. Whether you make only 1 cent or $500 or more during any month, you can get paid. They have a referral program. They pay you for referring advertisers. You will get 10% from all advertisers' deposits for the duration of the advertiser's activity in the program. When you are signing up for these websites, don't use your primary email to sign them. Sign up with a separate email account so that your primary email will be safe from marketing emails and fake offer emails. This method is a great way to start making your first money online. But if you would like to leave your job or settle in life, you need to learn more ways of making money online. But don't worry, we have made many interesting new ways of making money online, like this video, where we teach you how you can make PayPal money online just playing games. We also show proof in this video, so make sure you check it out.